What is going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you a top 5 under $10 video for mod ideas for the Jeep TJ. Now initially I was going to do a top 5 under $100 video, however I realized I don't have many parts that are under or around $100. So bear with me, today we'll do a $10 video, and the reason why I find this important is because for under $10 you can add so much character to your Jeep Wrangler. Now that for those of you that are just tuning into our channel, my name is Greg, my wife is Ollie. I drive the Jeep TJ, as you can see here. She drives our Jeep JK, and our channel is based on doing DIY mods at home as well as reviews and other product ideas just to get the ball rolling, just to get your feet wet and to get you Jeeping. If you like the way that sounds, please consider subscribing to our channel and also liking this video and dropping a line below on your opinion, your comment, anything. Everything's totally welcome by us. So stay tuned to see our top 5 under $10. So the very first mod I want to talk about is this Jeep Wave decal. This thing is far under $10 and it has made a really big difference, believe it or not, in the number of people that give me the wave as I drive by. Now, as many of you guys know, lots of people don't give the Jeep Wave back. It helps to have a modified Jeep TJ. I feel like a lot of the TJs actually give wave, but many of the newer JKs, JLs, and believe it or not, Gladiators, they don't give the wave back. So having one of these guys on my side mirror has made a significant difference. The link to that will be in the description below, as well as everything else in this video. Keeping to the topic of decals, this is item number 2. This was under 10 bucks and it came with about 20 or 10 to 20 different stickers. Now this is the one we placed on the TJ. I think it looks really cool. It's an alien chasing a Jeep that is rock climbing, and I think that has added a ton of personality, ton of character, and it could be easily seen from many distances. Now we also put one on the JK and I think it looks great on both vehicles. So that's number 2. So number 3 is gonna be these LED footwell lights over here. As you can see, I have one on either side, and just on the front the front two sides, I have chosen the 50/50 strip that comes in green LED. And it doesn't change colors. Now they have many that change colors, but I really like the green look for this green Wrangler. So that definitely lights up the footwells in the evenings, and I'm very happy with it. Easily under $10 and wires right in with no hassle or headache. The fourth mod under $10, it has to do with this odometer and the gauge cluster area. Now I recently replaced the LEDs and I put in some orange LEDs. This is in broad daylight. You can see them turning on and off. Here's a shot at night. As you can see, they're incredibly bright. They make the interior look nice. I'll put the link to the description of the original video in the top corner of this video. And the reason I chose orange is it kind of goes with the spice interior that I have. But more so than that, it is the color that bothers your eyes the least at nighttime, and it allows you to see out the Jeep perfectly while also maintaining easy visibility. Last but not least, our 5th item under $10 is this auxiliary 12-volt port here that also has a battery indicator light. Now, certainly one could be enough, but I like the option of being able to add 3 more 12-volt connections just in case you have tire inflators, you have a battery, you have a mobile battery pack, you have other things that you need to charge, camera equipment, so on. And so that is why I've opted to add 3 more ports. This I spliced. I don't have a video on this one. What I did was I spliced into the rear of the factory 12-volt, so they're all connected through the same fusing. And so far I haven't had any issues with this setup whatsoever. I absolutely love it. If you enjoyed this quick video on top 5 under $10, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and dropping a line below. We are going to be doing another free giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, and we are almost at that mark. So please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.